about the bars and tone and some color matte. Now the first thing, bars and tone typically aren't used for a lot of applications. If you're doing a video for YouTube, you're not going to need to use this. But if you want to make, let's say, a music video and a television station might air it, you might need to know where it's at. So it's just basically under your title menu, near the title. On the same menu, you can grab color options, like you can put in a black color option there. So if you wanted to go something directly to a black color matte that you want to know to make sure that it's a pure solid black, that's a good one. If you want to put in a color matte of your own color, just go to the same menu, pull up your color, choose it, the one you want, hit OK, and you can type it red, whatever you want to call it, just so that you'll be able to find it in your menu. And then there you go, you've got a red background. If you want to add a title to that, we've already discussed titles, but you can real quickly just pull up your title, type in red, save your options there, and save it in your file. Make sure you always save it where that you can find it again, and then pull it in. And there you go, you've got a very, very basic title. But let's say you want to add a little bit of movement to that. Some of it we're recapping a little bit here. But you go back, go to your motion, and make some markers on your endpoints. And then you go to the out points of the clip, and you make some more markers for the out points. You don't have to change the endpoints because that's where it's at. Go to the out point, just bring up the scale a little bit, and there you go. This is a rough version of a quick title that you can do in Adobe Premiere.